Line Monitoring System, LMS, in Oil and Gas Instrumentation, interview questions and answers, basic to expert level. What is a line monitoring system, LMS? A line monitoring system, LMS, continuously monitors the integrity of wiring and field devices in safety circuits. It ensures that the path between the control system and the final element is healthy and ready to operate when required. Why is LMS used in safety instrumented systems, SIS? LMS ensures that wiring and field devices remain healthy and available for safety actions. Benefits: early fault detection, improved safety integrity, increased system reliability, reduced plant downtime. Where is LMS commonly used? Typical applications include emergency shutdown (ESD) systems, fire and gas systems, deluge valve systems, TIPS systems, burner management systems (BMS), solenoid valve circuits, motor-operated valves (MOVs). What devices are typically monitored by LMS? Solenoid valves (SOV), ESD valves, deluge valves, fire dampers, MOVs, relays, alarm horns and beacons, fire and gas devices. What faults can an LMS detect? Open circuit, short circuit, ground leakage, cable break, device disconnection, solenoid coil failure. What is the difference between LMS and a normal 4 to 20 milliamps loop? LMS, line monitoring system, continuously checks the health of the wiring and field device circuit, while a 4 to 20 milliamps loop measures a process variable such as pressure, temperature, or flow. LMS is mainly used in safety instrumented systems, SIS, whereas 4 to 20 milliamps loops are commonly used in DCS PLC control systems. LMS detects faults such as open circuits, short circuits, or wiring failures, while a 4 to 20 milliamps loop transmits process measurement signals. LMS ensures the safety device is ready to operate when required, whereas a 4 to 20 milliamps loop provides process information for monitoring and control. What is the primary limitation of a normal 4 to 20 milliamps loop? A normal loop only indicates the process value. It does not continuously verify the health of the field wiring or the final element. What are the key elements monitored by an LMS? Wiring integrity from the control system to the field device. Health of the field device coil or solenoid. What is an end-of-line resistor, EOLR? An EOLR is a resistor installed across the field device terminals to allow continuous supervision of the circuit. Typical values: 20 kilo ohm, 47 kilo ohm. Why must the EOLR be installed at the field end? Installing the EOLR at the field device ensures the entire cable route is supervised. If installed in the control panel, cable faults in the field may go undetected. How does an LMS work? The LMS continuously injects a small monitoring current into the circuit and measures loop resistance, voltage drop, current flow. Based on these measurements, it determines the circuit condition. What are the typical states detected by an LMS? Normal, open circuit, short circuit, activated operated. What resistance indicates a healthy loop? The measured resistance should be approximately equal to the EOL resistor value. What does infinite resistance indicate? Infinite resistance indicates an open circuit such as broken cable, loose connection, burnt solenoid coil. What does near zero resistance indicate? Near zero resistance indicates a short circuit condition. What happens if the cable breaks? The monitoring current stops flowing and the LMS generates an open circuit alarm. What happens if a short circuit occurs? The circuit resistance drops significantly and the LMS generates a short circuit alarm. Why is the monitoring current very small? To prevent accidental energization of solenoid valves, relays, shutdown devices. What is a healthy loop condition? A healthy loop has the correct resistance value, shows expected current, produces no fault alarms. What is a de-energize-to-trip philosophy? Normal state, solenoid energized, trip state, power removed, valve moves to safe position. This philosophy is commonly used in ESD systems. Why is LMS important in de-energize-to-trip circuits? A cable break can look similar to a trip command. LMS differentiates between a genuine shutdown command and a wiring fault. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA